And last but not least, we have the horrible video card. Don't buy them. Don't tell me why I got them. I just did. Don't ever. Horrible company. Now for this is PCI Express. You can tell because of the little clip on the end. The clip on the end is actually pretty simple to get in and out, and you just put it right into the hole, and then this should also just fit right in. And just put this one back in, the one that was not used. And then to secure it in, what we're going to do is use one of the nice screws. We're just going to go and tighten it, push it up, just give it a nice, very nice snug feeling. All this is in, this is in, this is in. Alright. And this concludes the installing of the video card.